Red stocks, green stocks, it sure is festive here at the New York Stock Exchange. Happy holidays, everyone. Happy New Year. And we have our usual end of the year recap with Matt Cheslock. Hello, Matt.
Wow, some end of the year recap we have here. If we talk about like spring and summer, everyone would have been a little happier. But around Christmas time, everyone here is a little nervous and probably a little bit unhappy with the way things ended in 2018.
It sure is, Matt. And you mentioned spring and summer. What was your favorite trading session this year?
The trading sessions that I like the most are the ones I do from the beach, I think. Those are the ones you need. It would be nice to get away now, but any kind of news event, that we've seen, those are the fun ones when you get some of the volatility that's associated with the market. And volatility is not always just a negative. Sometimes it's a positive. Sometimes it means we get vacuums to the upside too, and we saw them early in the year.
We had quite a ride. Anything catch you by surprise this year?
I think some of the oil stuff, just some of the gyrations of oil, the opinions of people thinking that, we are going back over 100, and one analyst, I think, said 400 if we get some stuff that's going on here, and to see where it ended the year in such a negative fashion, it's more than just tax loss selling. I think there's, supply concerns, there's growth concerns, there's a lot out there that oil's had to face.
So, Matt, with that said, what are your expectations for 2019?
Well, it's going to be interesting to see how, the new Congress takes place and takes shape, and who gets the leadership roles in some of the subcommittees and things like that. So I can't imagine that's going to work out well. We haven't seen anything really positive out of politics worldwide, not just here, whether it be in Italy, whether it be, some of the stuff that we're seeing now in England and France, not to mention, Argentina and things like that. So, the expectations are that maybe the market can now focus on U.S. companies, earnings, and things like that, and not worry about 2021 and the dot plot line and possible recessions and things like that. So if we can focus on the short term and maybe get through first quarter and say that the economy is strong and maybe that's what the Fed is actually seeing based on data, that would be a positive sign.
Matt, obviously there's a lot of people in and out of this market, and our viewers and market participants really appreciate your insight every Thursday. We had an awesome 2018, which is why we want to give you a little present on behalf of Modern Wall Street. You know the deal.
Yeah, well, thank you very much. We appreciate it. This isn't why we do it. It's fun to do these and, keep people talking about, the market as a whole. So I'm glad to do it, and I thank you for the gift.
You can open it, Matt.
I can?
Yeah, let's see.
Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah.
That's nicely done. A little single malt for the holidays. Well, thank you very much.
We all need it. Make sure that that's not missing by the end of the day.
It's not that bad yet, but if the market goes down over 500, we may have to tap it.
Whiskey stocks are bullish right now. Guys, happy holidays. Thank you, Matt.
All right, thank you.